Jennifer Altman, and welcome to my first episode of my Fall Fit BH series. So of course I had to do a October series. This time of year is my favorite. I love Halloween, I love Thanksgiving, I love Christmas, but I wanted to do a series for Halloween. So the series is gonna be just a lot of fall festive videos. I'm just so excited to shoot here in Chicago. Along with this series, of course, I made a little fitness challenge for you guys. So this won't be a workout challenge, but I figured I could put together this little thing we all can do throughout the month of October. So you know me with my daily to-do list. I wanted to kind of combine that with a little challenge for this month of October. Here I have, I'll pop up on the screen. It's gonna be a daily checklist that we can upload to our Instagram stories and we can check off for all the things we complete in each day. But a lot of the things you can't complete every single day, so there are some things that are optional. But the goal is to hit 10K steps a day, drink 3 liters of water, journal, and goal planning. So that goal, you don't have to do it every day, but it is highly recommended. Cook a meal at home. That's not a goal we have to hit every day, but it's highly recommended. Protein intake goal of the day. So with that, if you need help figuring out what your daily protein intake should look like, feel free to message me, or I have a video that goes over more that in depth you can check out on my channel. Weight train 4 to 6 times a week. Again, you're not gonna hit this goal every single day, but it is a goal of ours to weight train 4 to 6 times per week. Eat something pumpkin flavored. I just wanted to add this just to make it more fun and festive, but you don't have to eat something pumpkin every single day. And then do an act of self-care. I wanted to add this because I know, especially during the holidays, we're really thinking about other people. So I wanted for us to take a step back and do an act of self-care. So you can upload this every single day to your Instagram stories and check off everything that you complete. I feel like this will just be a fun way to stay active, especially during the month of October and going into the holiday season. I feel like this is just a good approach of mixing holidays with sticking to your fitness goals. So you can download this for free at fitbyjennifer.com. That way you could save it to your photo album on your phone and you can upload it every single day and check off everything that you complete. Okay, moving on. I've been waiting for so long. I got so many packages in, but I've been wanting to open up these packages on camera and I want to decorate my apartment with you guys. I'm very minimal when it comes to my apartment and my living space, so I didn't want to go overboard with my decor for Halloween, but I figured I could get a couple cute little things from Amazon just to get in the spirit of Halloween. First, I did go to Target a few weeks ago in the dollar section, because I feel like we all should go into the dollar section every time we go into a Target. But they had so much Halloween decor, I had to snag a few pieces. So my coffee table in the back, it has a couple of the pieces that I found at Target in the dollar section. I'll show you what I have on that. But I also found these spider webs also in the dollar section at Target, and I figured I could put it on my TV stand and just make it a little spookier. Is someone vacuuming? Of course, during when I'm filming. Okay, whatever. Okay, first, what is this? Oh my god, I kind of forgot what I bought. Then too. Oh, yes. Guys, I bought freaking bats. Oh, these are gonna look so cute. I have no idea where I'm gonna put them, but you'll see that later on in this video. But I wanted freaking bats because you have to have bats for Halloween. So I found these bats. I'm probably gonna use my own tape because in the reviews, it said like the tape that it came with like ripped off the paint on their walls. So I did not wanna do that, especially living in an apartment that I do not own. This one, oh my gosh. I was very excited about this. I really hope it works. This is so cute. It is a pumpkin LED light. Can you see this? Can you see this? I figured that will look so cute on the TV stand. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'll show you guys what everything looks like when I like put everything together. I have no idea where I'm gonna put these. It looks so cute. I had to buy it. I figured like I have so much blank walls, like I could probably figure out where to put these. So these were so adorable. They're postcards, but you can hang them up on the wall and make like a collage of them. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. The packaging, oh my gosh. Oh, this is cute. Stop it. Okay, I'm glad I got these. Look, there's just like so many of them. But I saw like you can hang them up on the wall. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, the texture of these, I'm weird with textures. They're like so elegant. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Stop it guys. Oh my gosh, I'm hanging these up. Stay spooky. Stop it. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, that's a lot. That is a lot. I think this was like 15 bucks, but honestly, this is high quality paper. I was not expecting that. These are so cute. The witching hour is near. Oh my gosh, I've been watching Sabrina and they always talk about the witching hour, which is like midnight. Oh my gosh. But I'm in bed by that time because I'm a grandma. Okay, so I'm gonna put these decorations up and kind of show you guys what I do with it. Hopefully it kind of makes my apartment look a little spooky because it's so boring in here right now. But I was really excited for the holiday seasons because that is the time I would love to decorate. So, okay, I will tune in later and show you guys what I do.
And although I know it's strictly taboo, 'cause it's witchcraft, wicked witchcraft.
Okay guys, so this is what I came up with. I'm not gonna lie, the bats, I used the same tape on the photos on the bats and I just tested it out to see if it would like ruin the paint on the wall, and it did. So I'm gonna not have that many bats on the wall. I did, however, put a few bats up here, so I think I might add a few more because the set came with a lot of bats, so I kind of want to use those because I have a whole other wall of this cabinet material which won't ruin, thank goodness. But I figured, please look at what this looks like. This is so cute. So my thought process was like making it like a frame around the TV with these photos, but look how cute they look. This is so adorable. I love all the photos it came with. And then we have our little LD pumpkin, and then I got this little guy from Target from the dollar section, and I also have this pumpkin from Target. On this side, I bought this from Target. This was in the dollar section at Target. This was at the dollar section at Target. And these black flowers were in the dollar section at Target. And then I bought a little glass thing from Target just to make a little vase for it. But that's that. And then the spider web is on the TV stand, which was super easy. I'm shocked. I bought 2 bags because I thought 2 would take up the TV stand. One is on the TV stand, and then the other is on this mirror. I was able to put 1 bag's worth of spider webs on the mirror, and honestly it looks so cool. Like, what? Oh my god, I'm so excited. And of course I have my ring light. Oh my gosh, I'm so out of breath, guys. I'm so sorry. But I have my ring light. It's changing colors. And then I have my northern light with the moon over in that corner. The ring light, I can make it like all red, and I always like put on a scary movie, so it's such a vibe, but I love it. Bento, what do you think about it? What do you think about the lights? No? Okay. And then I also found this little tray at Target as well. I just been putting my candles on it. I just like to hide this burnt hookah hole stain I made a few years ago. So I always just try to cover it up with something. So that looks perfect. But I'm so excited how this turned out. It is so cute. So excited for this Halloween season. I cannot wait to make so many festive videos around this time of year. I hope you guys enjoyed this series as much as I'm gonna be enjoying filming everything. Be sure to download the Fit BH challenge over on my website at fitbyjennifer.com. It is completely free, and be sure to upload it daily and check off everything that you complete. So until next video, I can't wait for you to see it. But until next time, peace.